So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can create a AI chatbot for your own solar energy consultation business. But before we learn how to create this, let me show you how this is going to work. So let's say I'm going to type my query, hey, how much will a 3 kilowatt system cost? And let's say this is my query, so I'm just going to type it and send them on WhatsApp. So within seconds and in real time they're going to reply me, or we're going to see the price and the rest of the details. So let's say I'm going to ask another question, how much subsidy will I get? And you're going to see within seconds and in real time it is replying me for the subsidy too. So you must be wondering how this AI chatbot knows so much about my business, like what's the cost, what's the subsidy and all of this, because as you can see that in this knowledge source the rate of the 3 kilowatt is exactly the same which we have received right over here as the response. So yes, how is this possible? Because we have uploaded this knowledge base, and using this knowledge base only my AI chatbot is replying me. So as you can see, the subsidy is 78,000 maximum limit for 3 kilowatts, and it has answered me the same over here. So yes, this is no magic, this is the power of AI chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing AI chatbot for your own business, then watch this tutorial till the end. So now you have seen the proper working of this AI chatbot. Now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, you have to open the AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, and if you are an existing user like me, directly open your Pabbly Chatflow account and open your AI assistant from this left end of the site. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser, and first of all open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Then click on this sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open this AI assistant from this left end of the site. After you open this AI assistant, you have to make sure that you have already added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you wish to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. After doing this, you have to follow me. So this is the most important window to create the chatbot. For that, we have to first of all select the instructions type. So over here we have multiple options. First is this custom prompt. So if you wish to give a custom prompt, you can enter the custom instructions right over here, which will be unique to your business. But to help you, we have some pre-built examples like the AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and so on. So you can select any one from this also. When you select any one of the pre-built examples, the instructions will be added automatically. So if you wish, you can definitely add or delete some points, and if you don't wish, you can keep it as exactly the same and move on further like I'm going to do. Now it is asking me for the temperature. So you must be wondering, what is this temperature? So temperature is how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if we move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if we move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now it is asking me to select the AI to use, so I'm going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to select it as GPT-4 Mini. You can select any another of your choice. It is asking me for the API key, so to get this API key, open your OpenAI API key page. After opening this page, you are going to get this option of create new secret key, so click on this create new secret key option. It is going to ask you for the key name, so enter the key name, select the project, and click on this create secret key button, and your key will be created. So copy this key and paste this key right over here in your AI assistant and click on this connect. And once you click on this connect, yes, it is going to say OpenAI key saved successfully. After doing this, it is asking me for the AI assistant settings, so you have multiple options, the header message and the footer message. So over here you have to type the header message, and same goes for the footer message. You have to type it like this. The maximum characters are 60 for header and the footer message. The next which we have is the stop keywords. You have to enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant, and you can add multiple keywords. So let's say if you wish that the user have to type stop to stop this AI assistant, then type stop and then press enter to add this keyword. Now whenever my user is going to type any one of this keyword, the AI assistant is going to stop right over there, and a manual review will be needed to take that user users chat back again towards the AI assistant. So yes, this is a very useful feature. Now we have this retry attempts. You can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 2. Now we have this fallback message. So where you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So let's say your user has some emergency, so they can contact you on Gmail. So you can add your Gmail address in this fallback message. Alright, now let's move on further. The next which we have is this knowledge source. So like I told you in the starting of this video that this AI chatbot is solving all the user queries so accurately using this knowledge base. And how we can create and add this knowledge base. So first of all, you have to make sure that you open a blank Google document and enter the knowledge unique to your business in that Google document. After entering the knowledge unique to your own solar consultants, you have to go towards this file, download this in PDF or TXT format. Both the formats are supported, but I'll suggest you go for TXT format because TXT is preferred. As you can see over it is saying TXT is preferred because for PDFs we don't have any limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDF that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So that's why I'll suggest you go for TXT only. So I've downloaded this in TXT, so let's go to its choose a file, and then from the left hand of the side we have to go towards this download, and we're going to upload this knowledge base. And you can see we have successfully uploaded this knowledge source. Over is the proof of the successful uploading, which is this vector ID. Now let's move on further towards this AI assistant interface. Now it is asking me for the heading name, which is the name of my brand. So let's enter the name of my brand right over here. Once I'm going to edit it right over here, it will change over here too. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish, you can definitely edit it right from here. Now the next is this initial messages. So you can add up to 2 initial message. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add the initial message like this. Now it is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display this, keep it as enabled, otherwise disable it right from here. Now next we have this footer text and footer link. So you can add your disclaimer or the privacy policy right over here using this footer text and footer link. The footer text will convert into the link if you add the link, otherwise it will remain as a plain text. The next which we have is this user first message. So over here I'm going to keep the user first message as hey, because this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. You can customize this according to your own choice. Let's move on further towards the styling. Over here you can style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the colors and the profile pictures. It totally depends upon you how you wish this AI chatbot to look like. And after you style this AI chatbot, your AI chatbot is ready to run. For that you have to switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant. But now we have created this AI assistant. How can we use it for a business? So go out towards this embedded. You're going to find this script. Copy the script and paste it on your website, and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. And then whenever user is going to visit your website and click on this chat with us button and then start chat, automatically they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this hey, which is the initial message from the user, is going to send towards you on WhatsApp. Then further AI chatbot can reply them and solve all their user queries. But if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to particular contacts, open this inbox in a new tab, then go towards this contact you want to assign this AI chatbot to. Click on this choose AI assistant and assign the AI assistant like this by clicking on this save. Now whenever this user is going to message, this chatbot is going to reply. Not only this, if you wish to assign this chatbot to multiple contacts at once, what you can do is you can go on the settings and then inbox settings. Now scroll and select this enable AI auto replies. Now you have to select the contact list, and the AI assistant is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. So yes, if you wish to learn how to create contact list, then go towards this contact section and you can create the contact list right from here. If you wish to learn about contact section or any other section of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. And with this we have successfully completed this AI chatbot. So now go try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the chatbot or towards the video, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.